In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter bills in bill.com. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to go over here on the left and you want to click on bills. Then you want to go to all bills over here, and here you'll be able to enter the bill top right. So just click on enter bill. And then from here, first, of course, you'll have to select a vendor. So I'm just going to select myself over here. Of course, you can also add a new one over here if you want to and put in their details. And then what you have to do is type in the invoice number, of course, your PO number, payment term, and of course the invoice date and the due date. So I'm going to make it like this, and then the amount here is going to be 150, and if you want to add a bill description, you can do that as well. Now down here, you can select your bill frequency, either one time or recurring if you wanna, and then over here you have your account, so you basically have to select your account and the amount over here, and of course you can put a description on here as well. Then if you want to have any approvers, they can be put over here, and if you want any notes on your bill, they're over here as well. Now, if you are syncing with something like QuickBooks Online, you'll see this check mark over here, which you can check or not, which is completely up to you. Now, over here on the left, you can also upload an invoice if you want to. So for example, if I click on over here, I'm going to be able to do this. So I do have like an AI generated bill over here, which I generated for this purpose. So let me actually find it. There we go. I'm going to click on it and click on open. Now, as you can see, it's going to basically put it in here as an image like this. It's a bit too big, but there we go. It's like a random receipt. So I'm now going to click on create bill, bottom right. And there we go, it's going to start saving, and as you can see, it says bill 111 was saved successfully. So that's all you have to do to enter bills. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.